Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a blockchain wallet. A blockchain wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. To get started, you will need to choose a blockchain wallet that suits your needs. There are several types of wallets available, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and online wallets. First, download and install the wallet software on your device. Once installed, create a new wallet by following the prompts. You will be asked to create a password and backup your wallet. It is essential to back up your wallet to prevent loss of funds in case your device is lost or damaged. Next, you will need to generate a receiving address. This address is used to receive cryptocurrencies from other users. To generate a receiving address, go to the Receive tab in your wallet and click on Generate New Address. You can share this address with others to receive funds. To send cryptocurrencies, go to the Send tab in your wallet and enter the recipient's address, the amount you want to send, and any additional fees. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. It is also essential to understand the concept of private keys and public keys. Your private key is used to access your wallet and make transactions, while your public key is used to receive funds. Never share your private key with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your wallet. To add an extra layer of security to your wallet, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This requires you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Best practices for using a blockchain wallet include regularly backing up your wallet, using strong passwords, and keeping your software up to date. It is also essential to be cautious when receiving emails or messages asking for your wallet information, as these may be phishing attempts. In conclusion, using a blockchain wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrencies and wallet software. By following the steps outlined in this guide and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies using a blockchain wallet.